Buongiorno! We are looking at how to pronounce the name of famous American actor, director, writer, producer and former firefighter. We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name Steve Buscemi. Yes, that's the way it would be said in Italy, Steve Buscemi, because C in Italian is pronounced like CH. That said, Steve himself says that he does not pronounce his own name this way, but he pronounces it rather Steve Buscemi. Steve Buscemi, not CH, but just like there was only a C in his name. Steve Buscemi. So it's up to you. The typical Italian pronunciation would be Buscemi indeed, but he doesn't pronounce it this way. Here is a video where he explains all of this if you have 5 minutes to spend on this topic. Otherwise, the short story is you can either say Steve Buscemi or Steve Buscemi. Up to you.